Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. So today I am going to discuss with you about how to use ChatGPT for solving any mathematical problems. For that simple problems also I will show you how ChatGPT gives the answers. With that I will take some complex problems and I will see whether ChatGPT is giving the right answer or not. Not only I use ChatGPT for solving mathematics problems, whenever I arrive at any doubt I take the help of ChatGPT. If I need any information, then also I take the help of ChatGPT. So it is very useful artificial intelligence. Nowadays, most of the people are going to be dependent on it. So without wasting the time, let us get started. So I will log in my ChatGPT. I write in the message, but here only you will get the answers in written format. So let me show you. 512. So here we are getting the cube root of 512 in step-by-step method. So this was very easy question. Let me give something that is sine theta cos theta are there. So this is a big sum I have taken. Value of the question is the value of 2 inside bracket sine 2x plus 2 cos square x minus 1 totally divided by cos x minus sine x minus cos 3x plus sine 3x. Let me see what the answer they are giving. Here maybe the typing is not coming properly, so it is not the correct answer. Let me try once again. So I am pasting it again. Let me see whether now they give the correct answer or not. Problem is arising is that while I am typing, suppose I wrote cos x, okay? So I am understanding that this is cos x, but it is not taking cos x as a function. So let me put once again. Still, it is not the right answer. Answer should come only cosec x. I don't know what the problem is happening, but one thing I understood, like it is not able to detect that what function I gave. Like the question I have given, no, first bracket starts from here and first bracket ends after 1. So 2 sine 2x plus 2 cos x whole square minus 1 divided by, completely divided by cos x minus sine x minus cos 3x plus sine 3x. I don't know why it is not detecting. Once again I will try. If still it is not giving the right answer, so I cannot help. So let me see once again. So this is my last try. Let me see. I have given lot of brackets. No, not yet. Not correct answer at all. I have typed this way within brackets. So I have given third bracket, but it is not taking third bracket and second brackets. All brackets, it has taken first bracket only. I typed 2 sine 2x, sine 2x in a bracket I typed, and then again 2 cos x whole square I typed in a bracket, and then minus 1 totally divided by cos x minus sine x minus cos 3x plus sin 3x. That is what they are expressing at the last line is quite understandable, but simplifies to what they have said. This is not right. So I don't know whether it is not able to take the sin theta cos theta all those meanings, or just it is not able to take the format of the typing. I am not sure. But one thing I understood, like some problems, easy problems are fine, but if we are able to type it properly, maybe we will get the right answer. Otherwise, I have no idea. Because let me give one more sum that is other than the sine theta cos theta, that is depending on three-dimensional geometry. Let me see whether it is giving the right answer or not. Z plane. is. So let me see whether the right answer or not. So let me see whether they're giving the right answer or not. At the point 0, 2, 33. But the ratio, they have not given the ratio. Let me give a regenerate response. Now they have given the right answer. Minus 2 by 3 is to 1 means minus 2 is to 3. So already I said that the ratio is minus 2 is to 3. This answer is right. So hope after a few years, giving the command to AI will be more easy for us, especially mathematics, because there are so many functions that should be kept properly. Otherwise, it will not be able to understand the question. Hence, few problems we have seen it is giving the right answer, and some problems I have solved like limit problems and all. It was doing nicely, but I don't know why trigonometry it is not giving and it is not understanding the sum. Okay, that's all. If you feel that you need some help, you just have a try and see what and all help you are getting. But it is quite helpful for us, we feel, because sometimes we as a teacher also face some difficulties. So we can get the ideas, we can get some important information from ChatGPT and all those artificial intelligence, thanks to all those people who have created to help us.
If you feel it is very informative video, then do subscribe my channel and like the videos as well, and keep supporting us. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.